How to grow hydroponic carrots. You can grow hydroponic carrots any time of the year no matter what the weather is like outside. Enjoy benefits such as reduced water usage, not having to worry about weeds, and the convenience of being able to set up your own hydroponics system anywhere. Fresh carrots make a healthy addition to your hydroponics system, and are a rich source of vitamins A and C. A medium culture hydroponics system is needed for carrots, as they are a root vegetable. Solution culture hydroponics systems do not provide the support needed for root vegetables. Medium hydroponics systems require a physical substance for the vegetables to grow in this instance, perlite, whereas solution hydroponics systems only require liquid nutrient solution. Things you'll need. Medium culture hydroponics system. Perlite. Grow lights. Carrot seeds. Sprinkle carrot seeds onto moist perlite. Cover with about 3/4 of an inch of perlite. Keep the perlite moist and warm throughout the germination process. Ideal temperature for carrot germination is 86 degrees Fahrenheit. The carrot seeds should begin to germinate after 6 to 10 days. They will crack open as roots and stalks begin to appear. Select the strongest carrot seedlings and thin out the rest once the roots and stalks begin to emerge. At this point you will need to start using your grow lights. Turn them on for 16 hours per day and off for 8 to simulate the sun's natural cycle. Harvest your carrots in about 2.5 to 3 months. Tips. Warnings. Overseed by 25 to 50% to ensure survival. If pest insects pose a problem to your hydroponics system, use natural pest control methods to remove them. Introduce natural predators or parasites of the pest species to remove them from your greenhouse or growing area. See resources. Avoid transplanting carrots from your outdoor garden to your hydroponic garden. Doing so can introduce pests, weeds and diseases into your hydroponic system and cause problems for your carrots and other plants.